Ever grappled with a sluggish, ineffective strategic platform? Imagine a scenario where the very tool designed to drive your business forward becomes an obstacle in your path. This was the challenge facing Shaping Tomorrow, a key player in the market research industry. Shaping Tomorrow's strategic platform was not only slow, but it was also lacking in functionality. The Foresight platform was devoid of real-time visuals, dashboards, and analysis. Storytelling and insightful data were missing links in the strategic platform. Users found themselves waiting for visuals to load, unable to download or compare reports and save notes. To top it all off, the reporting process was manually performed using Excel spreadsheets. This is where Blackcoffer stepped in. Partnering with Shaping Tomorrow, Blackcoffer embarked on a mission to transform the static strategic foresight platform into a real-time dynamic system, complete with support for microservices and applications, data integration, and advanced analytics solutions. This was a multi-step project, meticulously crafted to reflect the client's business priorities. Over the course of 24 months, Blackcoffer delivered real-time and dynamic dashboards, AI-driven solutions, data integration, natural language processing, and predictive analytics applications at a production level. They guided Shaping Tomorrow through each stage of the project, ensuring a smooth and successful transformation. The impact of this transformation was nothing short of remarkable. The adoption of machine learning and AI automated tools accelerated the pace of work, making it more effective and efficient. This, in turn, increased Shaping Tomorrow's capabilities in dealing with multiple customers simultaneously. With this newfound efficiency, Shaping Tomorrow was able to attract more clients and deliver results with over 90% accuracy. Following the integration of Blackcoffer services, Shaping Tomorrow's revenue doubled, generating over $2 million. The new digital strategic foresight platform, enriched with microservices, applications, and data integration, was successful in captivating users, increasing their time spent on the platform by 40%. The platform gained traction, doubling its subscriber base every year. By efficiently reading over 300,000 documents, the platform now generates real-time and dynamic insights. The implementation of analytics techniques such as NLP and predictive models empowers subscribers to make more accurate forecasts and drive decisions with over 90% accuracy. In conclusion, Blackcoffer's intervention transformed Shaping Tomorrow's strategic platform, turning a once sluggish system into a dynamic, efficient, and insightful tool that drives business forward. The journey of transformation was not only a technological one, but also a journey of increased efficiency, revenue, and accuracy. This is the power of AI-driven solutions, data integration, and predictive analytics applications. This is the power of Blackcoffer.